How many people are you?
We are 8 people. Then of course a lot of staff
Porter,
and
staff,
porters
yeah.
and kitchen staff and things like that. Yeah, yeah, you know. We are from Pakistan, we are from China, we are from Nepal, and we are from Iceland, and we are from Slovenia.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, many countries.
Yeah, it's like a multi
Mm-hmm.
countries. Yep. Okay.
So, welcome to Pakistan, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Jón Snorri Sigurjónsson, and I'm going for the winter expedition on K2 this winter 2020. We are a team of 8 people, and it is really nice welcome, and I really want to thank you for the hospitality you showed here last night, because we have been 16 hours driving from Gilgit to Skardu with the flight, of course, first in the morning. So we were quite frozen. It was snowing and ice, and we had lot of interesting things on the road, and it took us like 16 hours just to drive here, and we were quite frozen. And I want to thank you for have all the rooms warm and nice when you came, because it was really needed.